Hi, Harshit. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
How are you, ma'am? I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, good. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
We all have your comments. Hi, welcome to Harshit, Neha, and Bhavesh into this one. So, yes, our the chapter which we were doing it since last many classes, it's all about to over because we have learned about the changes of states of matter also. Okay, and okay, let's watch one video at last based on changes of states of matter. And you all have to perform one activity too. Okay, so can you all get the material for the activity? If I tell you now, I hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm writing the material required in chat. Please do it. Uh, Once, please write in the chat if you all have balloon or not. Write in the chat. If you have a balloon, write yes quickly in the chat if you have. And if you don't have, then write no quickly. Adakshin no, Trilokya no. Neha yes, Bhavesh no. Okay. Then Trilokya, Adakshin and Bhavesh. Do you have a candle at home? Candle? Harshit also no. Okay. Almost of you do not have. Do you have candle? Candle. Adakshin yes, Trilokya. Trilokya candle also. Any birthday candle would also work.
I'll see, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah, okay. Try to see if you have any of these two. Then basically we have to mix um, baking soda and vinegar. So you can just take a glass, transparent glass, okay? Get 1 teaspoon of baking soda and about 2 to 3 spoons vinegar, okay? Separately get these two material, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 2 to 3 teaspoons vinegar, and a very small glass or any transparent bowl if you have that will work. Get it near to you. This activity would be performed like turning off the
Balloon, we can keep any tumbler also.
tumbler is fine. Yeah, okay. Take glass only, but quantity of baking soda and vinegar should be less because the gas will be obtained, and that gas we will test by allowing the gas formed uh, to pour on the burning candle, and that flame will get off by itself. Okay, you don't think you have vinegar also? Neha and Action, both you don't have.
No, ma'am.
Fine, then I'll give you this activity for homework. If you can perform it in 2 to 3 days, that's fine. Take some time and perform. Now I'm sharing the video. Okay, that's fine. Hello.
Of matter. Changes in states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The matter changes its states depending on the temperature and pressure. Fill the tray with water from a tap. Then place the tray in the freezer compartment of a refrigerator. The freezer is very cold. What happens next? Liquid water is changed into solid ice. The process of liquid changing to solid is termed as freezing. The temperature at which it occurs is known as the freezing point. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. If we take the ice cubes from the freezer, and placed them outside, the ice cubes would absorb heat from the warmer air around them, and it starts to melt. The process of changing a solid to a liquid is called melting. The melting point at which ice turns to water is 0 degrees Celsius. Heat a bowl of water on a stove. After some time, the water starts boiling. Bubbles are formed in the boiling water. The bubbles rises and escape from the bowl as steam, or water vapors. The process in which liquid changes to gas is called evaporation. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. When you take a hot shower in a closed bathroom, the hot water from the shower evaporates, and when the water vapors come in contact with cooler surfaces, such as the mirror, it cools, and form droplets of liquid water. In the same way, the water vapors from the hot sea, or rivers, moves up the sky, and cools down to form clouds. This process in which a gas changes to liquid is known as condensation. Dry ice change into gas directly, without changing to liquid. Snow can also change into gas directly in the winter months, without melting. The process in which solids directly change to gases is known as sublimation. Deposition is the reverse of sublimation. In this process the gas changes into solid directly, without passing through the liquid state. It is how snow forms in clouds, and how frost form on the windows. Another state of matter called plasma occurs when the gas is heated at very high temperatures. The sun is mostly made of plasma. Lightning or thunderbolts makes plasma. Question time.
Read it out and state the answer.
The process of solid changing to liquid is called melting.
Okay.
Freezing.
Great.
Freezing.
Zero degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius.
Ma'am, 0 degrees Celsius. Condensation.
Every week, you will.
Great. Good, everyone.
Ma'am, is candle important for the activity?
Pardon, please.
Ma'am, is candle important for activity?
Yeah, because we need to test it. Either you can have a balloon or candle. Any of these.
Ma'am, I have a balloon.
You have balloon. Harshit. Harshit, do you have balloon?
Ma'am, I'll once check, ma'am.
Okay, Neha, do you also have?
Mom, I have a balloon.
Okay, two students are having balloon. So if it is possible, you can get the stuff and perform the activity now in the class. Other students can also observe.
Mom, I have more materials.
Hmm?
Mom, I have even food components also, food color. Yeah.
No, for this solid, liquid, and gas changes, only this much is required. Do you have any like smaller size bottle or something with a narrow neck, narrow opening? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, this?
Your video is off. It's not visible on the screen, dear.
Me.
Wait.
Mom, Bhavyesh.
Wait, hold on. Do you show it to me once again?
Mom, I have two types.
Ma'am, I don't have a balloon, ma'am.
Mom, I have two types.
Okay, that is great. This first one you are holding in the right hand is fine.
Mom, this one?
Yeah. Bhavesh and Neha, you were also having balloon, right? So can you also find something, any bottle or any container with a narrow opening?
Yes, ma'am, I'll check.
Hmm. Now what you have to do, like take 2 spoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons that we use for taking out Harshit, Adakshin and Trilokya. Keep your cameras on and watch what they are doing, okay? Huh. So first, Bhavesh, put that 2 teaspoons of baking soda into that tube container. Hmm. Neha, let me know once you get the stuff.
Mom, I have a narrow bottle.
Yeah, sorry, I missed it. You have a bottle.
Done.
This is a very big bottle because it just a second away. Neha, we are gonna take a small amount of vinegar in that. So this will be too large for gas to come to the brim, to its brim. Any small or something.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavesh, have you vinegar? This is I guess 2 to 3 teaspoons only, right?
Mom, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Can you increase the quantity of vinegar also little bit? Like 2 teaspoons more vinegar. Harshit, Adakshin, and Neha, please turn on your cameras.
What should I do?
No, wait, don't mix. First, attach the balloon over the brim on its opening. The open part of balloon, fix it. Okay, Bhavesh, do one thing. Wait, this will be a bit difficult. The baking soda that you have kept inside the container, just transfer it to the balloon. Hold the balloon inverted, upside down, and pour it in the baking balloon. The baking, or if you fix the opening of balloon over the tube and just invert the tube, it will automatically get transferred easily. Oh, great, Sanil.
Mom, I have a science kit.
Okay, great. So you are basically using the test tube. Nice. Transfer it all to the balloon. Neha and Adyaksha, your cameras are off, dear. I cannot see you.
I'm done.
Okay. Done. Now transfer vinegar into the test tube.
No, many drops.
No, complete vinegar.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, very carefully, holding the balloon in your hand. First, listen. Holding the balloon in your hand like this way only you are holding right now. Okay. Only deal with the open part of balloon and fix it on the test tube. Means don't bring the upside of balloon like this on the top. Means we have to see the change when we would like to see the change, the mixing of baking soda and vinegar, then we'll bring the upside on the top. Okay, so gradually and carefully. Yeah, you can take the help if you want. It will be a bit difficult, no? Someone can hold the tube. Yeah, good. Neha, Harshit and Adakshan, please turn on your cameras. Yeah, can you please, yeah, hold the test tube right in front of your face because this is completely visible. Now, everyone, please see the change as Bhavesh will bring baking soda to mix with the vinegar in the test tube. The balloon will blow itself. Bring little down now. I need to capture it. Little down. Down means I need to see on the screen or tilt your camera, please. Yeah, fine. Uh, okay. Bring it upside. Allow it to get mixed. Leave the balloon, leave the balloon. It's okay, leave the balloon. थोड़ा सा नीचे लाओ, bring it down, bring the test tube down. I need to capture. Do you notice the inflation in the balloon? Everyone, do you note the inflation in balloon? Yeah, that is small amount, I know, but yes. So it means balloon is blowing here because of a gas. Can you tell which gas is obtained by mixing of baking soda and vinegar?
Nitrogen.
No, not nitrogen. See, so we have mixed one solid material, that is baking soda, one liquid material, that is vinegar, and we have got a gas. And we have tested with a balloon also, right? So, means we have learned many of the different classification here. We have mixed a solid and a liquid and we got a gas. Another type is, oh, great, you have this. Good, great. Fine. So vinegar is acidic in nature. Do you know what is acid?
Yes, ma'am.
Something which is sour in taste, like we call khatta in Hindi. Okay, sour in taste. It has a very lower value of pH. You understand what is pH? Citric acid. Yeah, same. Acidic most all the acidic things are sour in taste. Citric acid is present in lemon, oranges. Okay, so vinegar is acidic in nature, whereas baking soda is basic in nature. Means you can say it is, these two have quite opposite nature. One acidic means very lower value of pH, basic means very higher value of pH. When we combine them, they neutralize the overall effect and with the release of a gas. So the gas obtained was carbon dioxide. Okay, because of which the balloon got inflated. If you take more quantity of both solid and liquid, you might get the balloon fully inflated or accordingly. Got it? So all of you can perform this activity at home. Other way with the candle I was telling, like in that case, you don't need, you can just directly mix baking soda and vinegar and very quickly, you just need to tilt, I don't have a glass right now. You just need to tilt your glass in which you have mixed the two substances like this little bit, so that bring it near to the burning candle, near to the flame of burning candle, the flame will go off because of the effect of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide do not allow the flame to continue because it stops the supply of oxygen in the surrounding. Okay. So I want everyone to perform this. And yeah. Okay. So Bhavesh enjoyed a lot. And we all also enjoyed looking at the activity. Thanks, Bhavesh. And thanks to your mom. She also helped a lot. Okay. Next, let's practice few questions. And then next class onwards, we'll begin with the new chapter. Okay. I'm giving you the questions in the chat. The first question is, for these questions that I'm giving you now, you have to write the complete answer. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Happens when you mix.
Ma'am, we need to write the answers now.
Yeah, you need to write the answers now.
Okay, ma'am.
And the proper answer, wherever reason is required, please state the reason also. I have posted the question, please write answer. Both will not mix. Bhavesh, little deep, what will happen? How they are going to seem if we put oil in water? If they will not mix, what is going to happen? Oil will float on top of surface of water as it is miscible in water. Chanakya, the oil is miscible in water. Oil will float means oil will lie on the top of water, because the things which are lighter in nature, which are less denser than water, they floats on water. Neha, okay. See, the answers you have to write to everyone, not a direct message, so that others can also see. If your answer is correct, others should also know it. Neha, correct? Can you post this answer to everyone, Neha? Fine. Next is. Do you know what is ORS? You must have heard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oral rehydration solution.
Ma'am, we can form ORS by mixing salt and sugar
Salt
in water.
in water. It has a definite proportion to make it in the right quantity, fine. But what it is used for, write the answer to everyone. Sorry, I wrote the question to Neha only by mistake. I'm posting it for everyone. Hmm. What is ORS used for? Write the answer, everyone, now. For rehydration. For rehydration or to treat dehydration or to prevent dehydration, great. And sometimes in case of diarrhea also, we take ORS, okay? If we are to measure the volume of milk, what is the unit to measure? How is the volume of liquid measured? Right answer? ML, I'm not getting Harshit. MLL,
Ma'am, milliliters and liters.
milliliters and liters. Okay. Mostly if we get the milk usually on regular basis, we say it is liter or half a liter or 1 liter. Means minimum quantity we get half a liter from market. Okay. But yes, like medicines, syrups, and that drops and all, which are taken in very less quantity, for that we use milliliters. Can you tell how many liters in 1 milliliter or how many milliliter in 1 liter? Okay, 1 liter equal how many milliliters? Okay, 1 liter is 1000 ml, and 1 ml is how many liters? 1 milliliter is how many liters? 1/1000. Good, Bhavesh. Harshit, good. Neha, great. Good, good. Or 1/1000, you can write 0.001 liter also. Everyone keep watching in the chat also. By other students' responses, you can also get to know many things. Okay. What is the standard unit of measuring the volume? So say you have a box, you have to pack 100 notebooks in a carton box, cardboard box. What is the volume to, what is the unit to measure the volume? Standard unit. Kilogram. It is a unit of mass, Bhavesh. Not gram. Kilogram and gram both are units of mass. If we weigh ourselves, we say our weight is 50 kg, 20 kg, 60 kg, etc. Or in grams, we usually measure vegetables and fruits or some other cereals and pulses. Not length. Length is the unit of distance, like, the length of your room, the height of your room, etc. Do you know what is the formula to find the volume of a cubicle box? Have you seen a chalk box in your school? Chalk container box. It has one, two, three, four surfaces, side to side, one on top and the other at bottom. So total 6 faces. And all those faces appear like squares. Have you seen that? Okay, so it has in all 6 squares that is completely forming a box. So volume, do you know what is the volume to measure it? Formula? Side into side into side. Don't know? Okay, fine. Let's leave it for now then. Okay, no problem. State 3 examples each of soluble materials and insoluble materials in the chart now. The ones which are soluble in water and the ones which are insoluble in water. Soluble salt, sugar. Come out of salt and sugar only, please. Harshit, salt, sugar, soluble. 3 examples at least. Any other thing apart from salt and sugar which is soluble in water? Glucose. Okay, we got with one of the new points, glucose. Okay. Insoluble sand, mud, and oil. Great. Chalk powder insoluble. Good. Come up with the new words. Mud, sand, and chalk. Great. Insoluble mud and chalk. Okay. Next question. Hmm. Cricket ball. What do you think? Can we use cricket ball to play tennis? Why? Why? No is fine. A big no from everyone, but why? Means what specific about the cricket ball and what is the requirement of tennis? You can say we can discuss if you any answer is in your mind. Speak it up. We can discuss.
Ma'am, I think the cricket ball is bouncy.
Okay. Tennis ball do not require any bounce.
Ma'am, tennis ball should be very light.
And its density is very heavy and it will break the bat.
So
Break
it
the
means
tennis
tennis
bat.
ball should be lightweight. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think tennis requires more bounce, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write like no, because cricket ball is too heavy and is less bouncy. Okay. Okay. Then from the next class, we're gonna start a new chapter. Fine. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.